Yobe State Drugs and Medical Consumables Agency (YODMA) was established by Governor Malabuni's administration in the year 2020 as one of the pillars of healthcare system to achieve universal health coverage in the state. YODMA has the mandate of regulation of pharmaceutical space in Yobe State in terms of medicines and other medical consumables procurements, sourcing, storage and distribution of goods quality drugs to health facilities across the state. Speaking on the major achievements of the agency, particularly in the year 2024, the Executive Secretary YODMA pharmacist Abdulaziz Garba Muhammad says the agency has achieved numerous successes in the year under review. One of such is the construction of standard modern warehouse by Yobe State government in collaboration with the Federal Ministry of Health and Global Fund through TB and Leprosy Control Program.
In that regard also, we were able to train some of our staff, and also some of these staff actually got awards during the supply chain summit. I think Yobe State came out the best in that category also of the supply chain summit. So these are achievements that we were able to get, but for us what we call achievement is if the people actually have access to safe, affordable, but very good quality drugs. And within the year that we are discussing, we have been able to increase our base, what we call the PPP-MOU, the public-private partnership, that the law mandates YODMA to actually participate. And so from the initial 3, we went to 6, 9, and then currently we have 15. 6 of those companies actually came in 2024. So in 2024, we were able to broaden our base in terms of sourcing the products that we need for the state.
Pharmacist Abdulaziz Garba Father says Yobe State emerged the best at the 2024 National Supply Chain Summit, attributing the numerous awards gotten by YODMA with professionalism and dedication shown by the agency's staff. While commenting on the challenges encountered in the year under review, the Executive Secretary describes skyrocketing of commodities as the major challenge, saying prices of commodities has highly increased to almost 200%, finding it very difficult to explain to their clients.
In its wisdom, government will come out with policies and programs that will benefit the people, even if in the first instance you don't see the benefit. But the establishment of the agency was actually to address 2 key issues. The first one is the quality of the products that we have in the market. And sometime I think in 2020, 2021, there was a study that was done, and it showed that almost 40% of the drugs in circulation were substandard. So that is a major issue. It means out of every 10 products you have on the market, 4 will be substandard. And we don't have a way of knowing by just looking. So that is a major challenge, and that is one of the reasons the government established the agency, so as to ensure that the source of our drugs are really, really qualitative. There are people that we know that have been in the market for a very long time, and they are manufacturers actually, and we are encouraged to buy from the manufacturers.
Pharmacist Abdulaziz commended Governor Malabuni's administration for his good policies and programs, especially in the healthcare sector, noting that none of their requests is turned down whenever they requested. Also commenting on how the medical store operates, the store manager, pharmacist Babagana Ilya, speak on the mode of supplies, level of patronage and means of distribution of drugs and consumables to their clients at their respective facilities. According to the manager, the agency gives much priority to quality of drugs, at the same time its affordability, hence the need for all sister agencies to keep on patronizing YODMA for their drug supply.
All the secondary and tertiary health facilities in the state are under Hospital Management Board, and they are coming as immediately after this interview. When we go down, you will see some of these facilities have even come to pick their items. For there is Yobe State Contributory Healthcare Management Scheme, and they are the one responsible for paying services. However, these services are being rendered by either drug or medical consumable, and we are the one responsible in supplies of this. And
he advised people of Yobe State to always get prescription from pharmacists before taking any drug in order to avoid using substandard for their safety and health. For YTB News, Ibrahim Dairu reporting.